like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it.
Tonight, let's go, bring it on. Better give us what we want. It's the one for the crown. If you don't, it's going down. Let's go, make your move. Peace or war, it's up to you. Give them up and do it now. If you don't, it's going down. We want the one, or else the king is gone. Your time is running out. You should really watch your mouth. Let's go, pound for pound. We're prepared to stand our ground. Put your swords up, put them up. It's going down. Make the trade.
Coming. Bing boing bing bing boing bing boing bing boing bing bing boing bing bing boing bing boing bing boing bing boing bing boing.
Take it off!
I would rather die.
Then you will die! Stop! Good God, man! You almost got the cheese touch. The what? The cheese touch. Nobody knows when or how, but one day, that cheese mysteriously appeared on the blacktop. Nobody knew who it belonged to. Nobody touched it. Nobody threw it away. And so there it sat, growing more foul and powerful by the day. Then one day, a kid named Darren Walsh made the biggest mistake of his life. Darren touched the cheese! No, I didn't. I just looked at it. Really? Darren had the cheese touch. It was worse than nuclear cookies. He became an outcast. The only way to get rid of the cheese touch was by passing it on to someone else. And so began the cheese touch frenzy. Friend turning on friend. Brother turning on sister. It was madness.
Ferrari, I'm a superstar. I really like to party and my cool I want. I love a lot of women. I'm a superstar. Stars gotta freak your baby. That's the way we are.
I call your name, but you're not around. I say your name, but you're not around. I need ya, I need ya, I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now. So don't let me down. I think I'm losing my mind now.
Speak up when I hop about to cut, I promise I'm gonna speak up when I hop about to cut, I promise I'm gonna speak up when I hop about to cut, I promise I'm gonna make a scene. Got lights, cameras, action, but I promise that I won't be.
Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more. Gotta figure like a pin, gotta figure like a dog.
Life could be a dream. Life could be a dream. Do, 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 shaboom. Life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream. Sweetheart, hello, hello again. Shaboom, and open we'll meet again. Boom. Ding dong, ding dong, a lang, a lang, a lang. Oh, 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 bip. A bip, a do, a dip. Oh, life could be a dream. If only all my precious plans would come true. If you would let me spend my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
Every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you.
Wake up, Mommy. I just missed the bus.
Every second that you see is 24 connected pieces. Thank you for coming, thank you for staying, thank you for watching the show.
Who's a better superhero, Thor or Loki?
Thor!
Why would you say that?
Because he can make it thunder and lightning, and he has a big hammer. And sometimes he hits the hammer on the ground, and all the bad guys fall down just because he's so strong, and he can knock them over with just his hammer.
What? Well, let me roll up onto the sidewalk and take a look. Yes. Whoa! She's beautiful. I'm talking about a Yankee Rose. And she looks wild.
I'm Jenny, I'm Sarah, she's Jen. Been best friends forever, well since we were 10. Met at ballet class, and ever since then, we became inseparable. The damage was irreparable. Jen's like my sister, and Sarah's like mine. Friends till the end of the line.
Will you date me? Breathe if yes. Recite the Bible in Japanese if no.
はじめに神は天と地とを創造された。
What the?
地は形なく、虚しく、闇が淵の表
Is that
にあり、
actually the
神
Bible?
の霊が水